I bought a xt1 46-inch riding mower, and the dry-rooted belt broke after the 6th or 7th use. The belt came off every other use previously, but when I looked at everything to replace the belt and realized the driver's side idler pulley was not only very loose, the bolt holding it was upside down, which alerts me that this mower was probably not new. I'm having hell getting a new belt on, and I'm not happy after spending thousands.
Is the rough idling consistent? Anything sound different?
Yes, pinging, ringing.
What's the make, model, and year of your car?
xt1 46-inch Enduro series.
Is there anything else the mechanic should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, just the concerns that this is either a remanufactured mower or wrongly assembled.
Have you checked the idlers on the mower deck, to be sure they are free and the bearings are not binding? Same with the spindles for the blades, do they turn freely without bearing noise and binding? If any of the deck rotating parts bind or do not turn, it will damage the belt and it will not last.
They all turn. I realized that the wrongly installed pulley was loose, so that's where the pinging came from, and obviously caused the belt to come off ever since I bought it. Customer attachment July 6, 2021 1:11 and 25 seconds p.m.
V-belt a sec X 108.3 part number :954050022A is the deck belt. https://www.airreplacementparts.com/cub cadet xt1lt4613 APA 1 CT056 2016 tractor parts C528832_528839_53407.html.
This is the replacement tractor supply. Have me is the wrong one. Customer attachment July 6, 2021 1:20 and 58 seconds p.m.
xt1 is a series, look on the frame for a long model number. I just picked a random xt1. Half x103 for the 4219 belt, minus half x108 for the 5022, one I picked. If yours was tight, it would be the right one. Mine shows for an older xt1.
It's so tight I can't enough slack to go over the engine pulley. I'll get dressed and look on the frame for a model number. The new belt is a 4219.
Okay.
Looks like a different number.
13 APA 9 CT056 is model. And it uses V-belt at SECX 108.3 part number 954050022A. https://www.partstree.com/model/xt1lt46kh13 APA 9 CT056 Cub Cadet 46 xt1 Enduro Lawn Tractor Kohler 2020/deck5/.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.